Hi there, Chris from Idiomatic here to talk to you about how we support our product operations and product support teams in communicating in the language that product understands. Idiomatic is the most comprehensive, most sophisticated voice of customer software in the market. We plug into any source of customer feedback, automatically organize, label, prioritize the insights from that data set so that you can focus on communicating those insights back to your product teams. Now, if you're anything like me in my past career, you often run into product objections such as, well, what's the data behind that insight? Is that just anecdotal, or do you have a number of people that are running into that same problem? Also, product teams tend to prioritize other sources of data such as behavioral data, clicks, transactions, etc., over support data, which is often seen as a second-class citizen. The job of a successful product operations person is to make support data, customer service tickets, emails, chats, phone calls, a first-class citizen within your business. Let me show you how Idiomatic helps you do that. Idiomatic will automatically categorize, bucket, or organize your feedback into a taxonomy which is built custom to your business. So for this data set that we have here, it's our sandbox for Idiomatic. It's a hotels support inquiries. Let me expand the date range so we get a little bit more data in the system. With this number of data points, we can clearly see what are the top categories that are driving volume. We can drill into those categories like cleanliness, dirty bathroom for this hotel, and we can see, are there different flavors of dirty bathroom that I should be concerned with? This button here will extract those different flavors so that you have a quantitative or data-driven argument, not just reading tickets and sharing the ones that are most extreme, but being able to quantify exactly how much each one of these issues or flavors is affecting the bottom line. So I can say, hey, we have a real problem with floor cleanliness, but I don't just have to say, hey, here's one ticket or one story about the floor being really dirty. I can click on this and I can say, let me show you some trends about how floor cleanliness is driving volume to our support team. Product operations' job is to speak the language of product. This means speaking in all of the various ways that product can understand or be convinced. We need a summary of what dirty bathroom means, not just the title itself. So some more context in general. We need the different flavors of dirty bathroom quantified to know exactly how much each of these things is happening. So if I come to product with floor cleanliness and say, hey, that's something that we need to do something about, they can see exactly how that fits amongst all the other issues and whether we should prioritize this issue or some other issue. And you also need to share these anecdotes, right? So the actual tickets themselves, the raw text, you need to share that as well so product can get a true flavor. They can trust that what you're saying is really represented in the data. Another way to speak the language of product is to speak in terms other than volume. Volume is the natural language of customer support. But product may be thinking about other things. They may be thinking about conversions. They may be thinking about lifetime value. They may be thinking about NPS score. All of those metrics are available in Idiomatic. So if we are pulling in your NPS scores associated with your comments, we can start to speak the language of product by speaking in their metrics. You shouldn't fix dirty bathroom because it has the highest volume. You should fix dirty bathroom because it has the lowest NPS score and it's driving down our scores too much. You can see very clearly this is a different argument, but I start to speak the language of product if my product team is very concerned with NPS as a KPI. Similarly, product may be concerned with cost, product may be concerned with satisfaction score, product may be concerned with sentiment. Being able to switch between these different metrics helps you speak the language of product, which hopefully is the language of your entire business. Now, each company is different in terms of how much they prioritize product feedback or product changes, but our mission at Idiomatic is to help you take all of what you're learning from your customers and turn it into a first-class citizen that drives real change and improves the customer experience. We'd love to show you in more detail if you get in touch with us.